I want to welcome you all to Zebra Eye. So, we are doing this little session on world affairs. A warm hi to all of you. I am your instructor, Akansha ma'am, for today. So, the first event is I'm going to tell you about what is happening in Peru. Now, you'll be like, Peru? This is a country in South America. We will talk about what are the changes happening in Peru. We will also talk about the game where this guy Lewis Hamilton has become the bestest of the best. He has won the races so many times. We will also talk about COVID-19. How can we miss that? We all know Corona is happening. Now students, how will this class flow? Let me tell you. So first of all, we will be talking about the 3 burning events. Okay, the 3 burning events happening around the world. Then I will give you chance to do question and answers with me. You can ask any question related to the topic that we studied today and I will answer. And then we will do a fun activity, a fun quiz for you. Students, here we are seeing that in Peru gets 3rd president in 1 week. Peru is a country. In the country, there is a body which make laws. Like in India, the parliament is making law. Correct? Similarly in Peru, Congress is all top. It is making law. Now the Congress decided, listen, I will make my member the president. So the Congress chose Manuel as the president. Now student comes the twist. Because the people in Peru, the country Peru, the people were not liking this. They were like, how can Congress choose this guy as the president? Nobody asked us. So that's why people in Peru started protesting. You know how protest happens, going on the roads, saying we are not liking it. Okay, so people started protesting. Because of that, what happened? Another president came to power because people wanted. So that president was Francisco Sagasti. How the citizens in Peru elect the president? All these questions must be like, Kyun? Why? So the simple answer here is, this all happened because the country Peru is a democracy. Now I tell you how this democracy is working. Till last slide I told you, oh, Peru is doing all of this because in this country there is democracy. Now I want to tell you how democracy is actually working. We all know that we, India, are the largest democracy of the world. Do you agree with me? And so, it was important to know the advantages and disadvantages of democracy. This guy, Lewis Hamilton, as you see right away, is the one who became the F1 racer. Now, what is F1 racer? Can you see this huge, beautiful car on the screen? How many of you have actually seen such spots on the TV? I see it, I love it. So this guy has become a very popular player who has won lots of races. Let's go and play and let's find out what he has to offer. This is the event we were waiting for very long.
That time there was also a new outbreak of another epidemic of smallpox. Okay, and this scientist Edward Jenner was trying to find a cure for this. There is one thing that he observed, that people who were working near cows or who were handling cows, they did not get this disease. So this was something new, that why these people are not getting the disease. So when he conducted certain experiments, he found out that the people who are handling cows have already come across with certain germ which is similar to the smallpox germ. That was cowpox. So people who have already got the cowpox germ did not get smallpox. So that is how the idea of vaccination started.
Okay, I will share a link with you and I will also tell you how to do the quiz. Okay, it's a quiz. So let me quickly share that link with you. Can you see, students? Yes, and you just have to write your name. For example, Akansha. Okay? Yes, you just have to write your name, students, and you have to click the start button. Once you do it, it will start the game. Click start. Questions will pop up now. Here comes the question. You can choose whatever is the answer. Submit. You can keep choosing the question and keep submitting the answer and keep going next. Once you do all the 6 questions, students, you will see the score is reflected here. So please tell me the score. Okay? This is 3100. I am going to give a virtual clap. Kiara, 4500. I will see you in the next session very soon. Okay? So see you and meet you next week.